Yeah, day Wednesday, 26th of July. It's mid-afternoon, about 3 o'clock. I'm just hanging out with the kitties today. They're not going to move my safe until tomorrow. Kind of between projects. And right now it's 101 degrees. Going to be worse next week. Problem we got now is it really doesn't cool off at night. It drops down to, depending on the area of Texas you're in, high 70s to mid 80s. And the poor folks, where it's dropping down to the mid 80s, if they don't have air conditioning, they hardly get to cool down at night. And they're having a tough time. Now what Texas does, and other states too, is we open up cooling centers that are climate controlled that folks can go to cool off during the day, but then they close at night, and that's where the problems come in, is folks can't get cool at night. Fans have limited effect. It just moves hot air around. This is a high humidity area, and with high humidity you get a high heat index. So if it's 85 degrees and 80% humidity, the equivalent feel-like temperature is in the high 90s. Because your body can't cool off in that kind of humidity plus heat, and it'll kill you. We've had so far in Texas, they say, 10 direct heat-related deaths. They don't count the ones, the older folks that are suffering with a lot of pre-existing conditions, etc. If they pass away, they'll say it heart attack, cancer, whatever. So it's not a very good number. This thing here on the floor is a little trifold twin size mattress we just got. It's high density foam, so it's got support, and being that it's twin size, it's 38 inches wide by I believe 78 inches long, so even someone my size can recline on it, and pretty dang good comfort. Well, why do we get that? Well, with my bad back, I can't sit in a rocker recliner for long stretches at a time. Our couch is actually wore out. It needs to be replaced, but I can't find one I like. So I can't recline on the couch. Same thing, sitting on the couch will put my back into a bind. And I've tried various styles of rocker recliners, trying to find one that is consistently comfortable where I can sit for more than just a little while. It's difficult. But yeah, this thing folds up. It's trifold. It's a fairly compact unit. It'll fit in the closet. And wife tried it out. She likes it a lot too. And there was something else we added, trying to get comfortable. A good little day bed if you have people coming over for overnight. If you have family coming in on the weekend, that kind of stuff. Whole lot better than an air mattress. They come in all different sizes. You can get the little bitty skinny one, called a single, I think up to a king size. A lot of folks use these things for their real mattress on their bed frame, and I can see why. It's extremely comfortable. And yeah, me and the kitties just hanging out here at the house and watching YouTube videos, watching the cartoons and news, about the same on television. That's about it. Get the safe moved over here. I'll be sure and post a video of it where we ended up putting it. I still have to swap out the venti hood over the stove. I'm trying to get a hold of my electrician buddies, come down and give me a hand. It's a little bit too heavy for me to do by myself. And I don't have any cabinet jacks, and I don't want to buy them just for one job, and it's not something you can rent down here. But yeah, just suffering through this heat. And like I said, next week's going to be worse, and the week after that probably be just as bad or worse, and it really won't cool off until middle of October, believe it or not. Stopped raining because of the high pressure dome, so the hay fields are suffering. We don't grow a lot of vegetables commercially in this area. Do have some corn, and of course it's suffering too. West Texas cotton, I think they're going to lose the whole crop this year unless it's irrigated. Same thing with West Texas corn, ain't none. Dryland wheat in West Texas, same thing, ain't none. So, typical La Nina. And this winter we're supposed to get a lot of snow because of the La Nina. And that just messes the world up because Northeast Texas is not set up for snow or ice. It will just shut down the whole area. We're going to have power failures again. It's just a huge mess. But hopefully I have a generator installed by then. So anyway, let me get back to watching my cartoons. That's all for this one. Thank you.